bitch! I can't just stand by and watch this happen! Leave him alone!
Giblet, are you alright?
I want to help Player, but I'm clearly not a hero.
You're more heroic than you think, Giblet. We only made it this far because of you.
Cut in.
Huggy!
Ah, Giblet, another friend lost, huh? Well, what's one more?
No! Kissy Missy! Prototype! You monster!
Oh, Giblet.
Why can't I do anything useful or heroic?